Good morning, students. In the previous video, I had explained you about various number systems, that is decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal number system. Now, today we will discuss about conversion from one number system to another number system. And basically, in your syllabus, we are having decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So we will discuss how we can convert a decimal number system into binary number system and a binary number system into decimal number system. Okay, so let us see. So dear students, now we will start our conversion. Now first of all, we will convert from decimal number system to binary number system, means from base 10 number system to base 2 number system. As I had already explained that decimal number system are having base 10 and binary number system are having base 2. Okay, so we will convert from base 10 to base 2. Okay, now there are two methods, as I had already explained you, that the positive binary the positive binary numbers, they are in the form of the 2 power n, and negative, they are in the form of 2 power minus n. Okay, so we will first method we will apply, that is 2 power n, and second method, that is of the repeated division. Now here you can first of all, here you can see the question, convert 43 base 10 to binary. Now we want to convert this number. So first of all, here in this right side you can see that I had taken out 2 power n, means I had taken out 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I had taken out up to that. Now for this conversion, first of all we have to check the number which is means the power of 2 which is nearest to 43, and for this you can see that 32 is near to 43. So first of all we will convert 32 into binary. Okay, because we are taking 2 power n method, that's why we will check the number, means the power of 2 which is nearest to 43. So don't get confused, means we had already find out the power of 2, and according to that we will compare with 43, because 2 power 5, that is 32, it is nearest to 43 and it is not exceeding also, but 2 power 6 is exceeding 43, that 2 power 6 is 64. Okay, so we will take 32 only. Now here you can see that 32 is near to 43 without exceeding it. So now we will convert 32 into binary. So it's a very simple procedure for this is there, as 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Okay, so we will take the concept of 5 plus 1 position. It means the power will become number of zeros, as power is 5, so number of zeros will be 5, and we will place 1 before the zeros. Make it clear beta, as the power is 5, so number of zeros will be 5, and we will place 1 in front of all the zeros. Okay, so the binary of 32 will become 1 0 0 0 0 0, means 1 and 5 zeros. Okay, so we had just calculated the binary of 32. Afterwards, because now we will subtract 32 from 43. So 43 minus 32, and the left out number will be 11. So we will find out the number, the power which is nearest to 11. So we will get 8. So 8 is near to 11. Now binary of 8, as the power, as the 8 is equal to 2 power 3. Okay, so we will convert 8 into binary, that is 3 zeros and in front 1. So 1 0 0 0. Okay, afterwards now we will subtract 11 minus 8. Okay, because we had just find out the number nearest to 11, and we find out the number nearest to 11 was 8. So we had just converted 8 into binary, that is 1 0 0 0. Now we will subtract 8 minus 8 from 11, so 11 minus 8 equal to 3. Okay, now we will find out the number which is near to 3, and obvious the number near to 3 is 2. Okay, so 2 is near to 3. Now binary of 2 is equal to 2 power 1, that is 1 0 and 1 itself. Okay, Now we will find the subtract the number that is 2 from 3. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and 1 is near to 1 without exceeding. So binary of 1 will be, because here we had started the power from 1 to power 1. So 2 power 1 equal to 2. But here we are having the number as 1 only. It means 2 power 0. What we have to take? 2 power 0. 2 power 0 equal to 1, as all of you already aware with this concept. You might have studied in your maths. So 2 power 0 will be 1. Now we have to find the sum of all the binaries. Okay, so 150, 130, 10 and 1, and we will get 101011. So the binary of 43 will be 101011. So it's a very simple process. Once again, just take it as a revision that first of all we have to find out the power of the number which is nearest to that given number. Okay, so for 43 we are having the 32, and the 32 is equal to 2 power 5. So the power will become number of zeros. Okay, so the power is 5, so we'll place 5 zeros, and in front we will place 1, and afterwards we will do the subtraction, that is 43 minus 32 equal to 11. Okay, and the number nearest to 11 is 8, so binary of 8 will be 2 power 3, that is 3 zeros and 1. Similarly 11 minus 8 equal to 3, and 2 is near to 3, so 2 power 1 equal to 10. 0 and 1, and afterwards 3 minus 2 equal to 1, so 1 is not exceeding to 1, so binary of 1 will be 2 power 0, that is 1, and afterwards we have to find the sum of all the binary numbers, and we will get the conversion of decimal number into binary. So it's a very simple process. Now second method is that of the repeated division. So here also I am converting 43 into binary, means 43 base 10 into base 2. So dear students, so in this case what we have to do, we have to divide 43 from 2 until it becomes 0. I am repeating once again, we have to divide 43 from 2 until it becomes 0. Make it clear. Okay, why I am dividing 43 by 2? Because the base of binary number is 2. That's why I am dividing 43 from 2. Now here you can, and you know, here we will divide 43 from 2, and we will place the remainders. Here you can see that I had placed the remainders. Okay, so here 2 divided by 43 and the remainder is 1. So 2 divided by 43, that is quotient is 21 and remainder is 1. We have to place remainders over here and the quotient over here. Okay, so make it clear. So 2 divides 43 and the quotient is 21 and the remainder is 1. Similarly, 2 divides 21 and quotient is 10 and the remainder is 1. Similarly 2, 10, 5, 0, and 2 divides 5, that is quotient is 2 and remainder is 1. Similarly 2 divides 2, quotient is 1, remainder is 0, and afterwards 2 divide 1, 1 is a smaller number than 2, that's why we have to take 0. So 2, 0, quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1. Now we have to write all the remainders from bottom to top. Make it clear, we have to write all the remainders from bottom to top, and that will become the binary conversion of 43. So we have to write 1 0 1 0 1 1. It means we always, after finding out the remainders, we have to write from bottom to top. Okay, so here that number will become binary of particular decimal number system. Now in the second example, here you can see that I had taken number as 500. So I want to convert 500, means that is a decimal number, into binary number. So the procedure is same. Here you can see that I had divided 5 by 2. Okay, and just extracting the remainder. So 500 divided by 2, 250, remainder is 0. Then 250 divided by 2, quotient is 125, remainder is 0. Then 125 divided by 2, quotient is 62, remainder is 1. Similarly 231 0, 215 1, 271 231 211 and 201. Okay, and now we have to write all the remainders upside from bottom to top, from bottom to top, that is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, and so means this number now it becomes the binary of 500. Okay, so this number is the binary of 500. Make it clear, we are writing from bottom to top. Okay, so in this manner we had converted a decimal number into binary number system. So whereas I think this concept might be clear to all of you, it's a very simple procedure we can do. In this manner we can convert a decimal number into binary number system. Now here we are converting binary number to decimal number. So here what we are doing, we are converting binary number to decimal number. Now in order to convert binary number to decimal number system, what we have to do, first of all we have to find out the place value of each and every number of binary. Okay, so here I have taken 101011. Okay, here you can see that 101011 base 2. Okay, now I have taken this number 101011. Clear? So I had just find out the place value of this number, and the place value goes from right to left. Okay, right to left. So the rightmost number will be 0, its place value will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, we have to start the place value from 0. We have to start place value from 0. Okay, now these place values will become the power of 2. These place values will become the power of 2. I am repeating it once again. This place value will become the power of 2. If any question arises why this place value will become the power of 2, because the binary numbers are having base 2. Binary numbers are having base 2, so we have to take the place value as the power of 2. Now here our first number is 1. So 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. So here you can see that what I am doing, I am just multiplying the power of numbers with the numbers, power of place value of numbers with the numbers, and then adding all the numbers. What I am doing, power of place value of numbers multiplied by binary number and then adding all the numbers. Okay, so here it will become 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, and after summing up we will get 43 base 10. So now here that binary number is converted into the decimal number system. Clear? Because I think it might be clear to all of you. Okay, now here similarly we are having another question. Here you can see that means this one 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 base 2 equal to, now we want to convert into decimal number system, that is base 10. Okay, so here similarly for this also I taken out the place value starting from right to left. Okay, so from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it is going up to 8th position. Now here we here you can see that 1 into 2 power 8 means power of place value of number multiplied by number. So 1 into 2 power 8 plus 1 into 2 power 7 plus 1 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. Okay, and afterwards after calculation we will get 256 plus 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. Then we will get 384 plus 112 plus 4, and we will get 496 plus 4 equal to 500.
base 10. Okay, so here you can see that we are converting the decimal number in binary number into decimal number, and for such conversion what we have to do, we have to find out the place value of binary numbers, and afterwards, after finding out the place value, and how we can find out the place value from right to left, and the rightmost number will be position of rightmost number will be 0, and afterwards 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, and afterwards what we have to do, we have to find out the power of place value of the number, means power of 2 of place value of number multiplied by that particular number, and then adding all the numbers. Okay, then adding all the numbers. So in this manner we can find out the we can convert binary number into decimal number system. So it's a very simple process, and here you can see that binary of 500 that I had already calculated over here. So here you can see that 510100. Okay, and here you can see that I had taken same number, that is 510100, and at last I am getting 500. Okay, so in this manner we can convert from decimal to binary and binary to decimal number system. So dear students, you had seen how I had converted binary number system into decimal number system and decimal number system into binary number system. So it's a very simple process, no need to worry about. It's a very simple conversion. Simply you have to focus upon some things, some concepts, and afterwards you can convert it easily. Now there is a basic rule to convert any number system to another number system, and for that we have to take the mediator path, that is the decimal number system. Means suppose if any number system is given in octal, okay, and we want to convert the octal number system, means base 8 number system, into binary number system, base 2 number system. Okay, so for this what we have to do, first of all we have to convert base 8 number system into decimal number system, and then into binary number system. Now a question arises, how we can convert base 8 number system into decimal. Okay, for this you have to follow the same procedure what we had done for binary to decimal or decimal to binary. Okay, so in the binary to decimal what we had done, just I had explained you with the help of an example what we had done. First of all we have to find out the place value of numbers. Okay, after finding out the place value of numbers, we have to multiply the number with the power of 2, with the power of 2, and power will be place value, Okay, suppose if any particular binary number system the place value is going from 0 to 5. Okay, then suppose the leftmost number is 1, so 1 into 2 power 5, okay, plus and so on similarly. So this will be the case for each and every number system. Suppose octal number system we want to convert into binary. What I had said, first of all you have to convert into decimal. Okay, suppose the number is 572. It is in octal number system. 572 is in octal number system, and I want to convert it to binary. Clear? So what we have to do, first of all you have to find out the place value. So place value 0 1 2, place value will be 0 1 2. Okay, so our number was 572. Okay, it is in octal number system, and I want to convert it into binary number system. First of all I had taken out the place value. So place value will be 2 will be in 0 position, and then 7 will be in 1, and 5 will be in 1 position. So now what we have to do, 5 into 8 power 2, because here the base is 8. That's why what we have to do, we have to take here base, okay, and afterwards we have to take the position as power. So 5 into 8 power 2 plus 7 into 8 power 1 plus last number 2 I had said 572. Okay, 2 into 8 power 0. Okay, and afterwards calculate it, and you will get the number into decimal number system. And now you can easily convert the decimal number system into binary number system. So how you can convert the decimal number system into binary number system? It's very simple. Simply divide the number by 2 until that number becomes 0, take out all the remainders and write the remainders from bottom to top. Now the number is converted into binary number system. It's a very simple process. Okay, so you can convert any number system into another number system. So I just explained you about the octal also. Now if any question arises, suppose if anyone says that you have to convert binary number into octal number system, binary number system into octal number system. Okay, so for this also what we have to do, first of all convert this binary number into decimal number system, and you know how to convert the binary number system into decimal number system. Okay, so in order to convert the binary number system into decimal number system, what you have to do, simply first of all find the place values. Okay, after finding the place values, now what we have to do, power up to, okay, means suppose whatever the place value will be. Okay, so power up to and afterwards you have to add all the numbers. Okay, it will be converted into binary. Already I had explained you with the help of an example. Okay, so clear. Now as the number is converted into decimal, now divide the number by 8, divide the number by 8 until it becomes 0. Divide the number by 8 until it becomes 0, because the octal number system is having base 8. So divide the number by 8 until it becomes 0 and find out the remainders and write the remainders from bottom to top. Now the number is converted into octal number system. So it's very simple procedure. And similarly for the hexadecimal number system also. And for the hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. Okay, so you can do any type of conversion, whatever, from one number system to another number system. So this much for today. Go through this video, listen it properly, and follow it properly. See the examples. It's a very simple process, and you can do. It's a very simple. Okay, so thank you. Watch it properly. Okay.